Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to show you how to connect Epic Games to YouTube. So to start, open YouTube app, then go to your profile at the bottom right, then go to your settings at the top right, then scroll down and go to connected apps. So once you're here, you'll see a lot of apps in here and look for Epic Games and click on connect beside it. Then click on connect once more, then sign in your Epic Games account. So once you enter your email address,
Welcome back to Jew Tutorial. And if you're new, special welcome to you. You see, guys, my team and I have been working every single day to make videos just like this one for you guys. And for those of you who are subscribed, I just want to say special thank you. And I really appreciate the support from you guys. And if you're not yet subscribed, I would really appreciate if you hit that subscribe button. And if you find this video useful, go ahead and hit that thumbs up button. That's going to give this video a like and it gives a signal to YouTube that this video was helpful. Thank you guys for that. I'm so sorry to interrupt your video, but I'd really appreciate this tiny but massive support. Thank you guys.
so they'll send you a 6-digit security code and just check it and then go back in here. So copy the code and go back to YouTube and paste the code. Then click continue, then scroll down and click allow and just wait for it. And as you can see, Epic Games account is now connected to YouTube. So click on got it. So go back and reload the YouTube app and open settings, go to connected apps, then check again if you're connected. And that's it. So as you can see, we're now connected. So our Epic Games account is now connected to YouTube. And that's basically it. Thank you for watching.